Alrighty, William, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our new CNC head on it. Looks like we got a truck pan on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Pro-Am manifold. Got the March Onyx on the front. Beautiful setup. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Go in there and make a run. See what it does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3600, it's 474 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 540, peak horsepower 585. So we're in at 575, got a front end on it, so it's really good. That's a new cylinder head combination. MPEFI, so everything's good. Show you a couple other things. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. And when we receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff, how to recommend you and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have the engine number, some other specs. That engine number, if you need something from us, the easiest way for us to look you up, flip it over, QR code, hover over that, click on, take you to our site, and some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. It'll definitely help your installation. Have a great day.